Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to download how to hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to add a subscribe icon in the bottom right corner of your YouTube video. So you must have seen in many big YouTuber videos, like if you put your pointer on that thing, then subscribe option comes, like in Dharman's videos and all, and Justin T's videos. Yeah, so here I'll show you how to do it. I thought only big YouTubers could do it, but no, even I can do it. Because I just have 166 subscribers, but you can make it 167. Yeah. So yeah, let's start. So first of all, you'll go to Chrome and YouTube. So of course YouTube you'll have to go, and then over here at the top right you'll click on your channel, and then here the first option, your channel. Oh, here, so this is my channel with sweet little 166 subscribers, and customize channel. And in customize channel you will click on branding. So in branding you can change the logo of your YouTube channel. You can put banner images and video watermark. This is what we are talking about. So in this video watermark, if you like put your point over here, then a subscribe option will come. So you can choose that where which part of the video do you want to show this. So I have chosen entire video because like I think it'll attract more subscribers. So you can put end of the video, start means the exact timings, or the end of the video, or entire video. Yeah, so here I have this, but to show y'all I'll just change, and over here this first screenshot, open. So here I'll just edit it because I've taken this from Google somewhere. So yeah, a square. I'll put this and then done. So my watermark is there now, and then you can do all of this whatever you want. And then before switching, you'll have to click on publish. Otherwise, you'll have to do it again. So that it gets saved, you'll have to click on publish. So publish, and yeah, it's published now. And go to channel. So now on my channel, if I click on my latest video, do check it out. Over here, see, subscribe. I've already subscribed to myself. Subscribe. Here it comes. So yeah, that's amazing. So guys, if this video was helpful to you in any way, please consider subscribing, and meet you in the next video. Peace.